In this question, a function is given this, and when we put 1 in the function, the answer will be 5. So just put 1, it will be m into 1 plus c, and the answer is 5. M plus c, equation number 1. Now the second is when g5, the input is 5 and the output is minus 2. So when we put in this function, so when put 4, g5 means putting 5 in the function, and this value will be minus 4. 5 and plus c. So this is equation number 2, and now we will solve both simultaneously. So let's to eliminate c, the sign of c must be different. So what we do, we will multiply by minus 1, either equation 1 or 2. So let me multiply this by minus 1. So minus 1 multiply. So it will become minus 5 is equal to minus m minus c. Equation will become like this, and equation 2, we take it as it is equal to minus 5m, sorry, it's plus 5m and minus plus c. Now just adding these two, it is minus c and it is plus c, so they will be cancelled out. So it is 4m and it's equal to minus 10. Sorry, it is 9. So m is minus 9 over 4. Now we will put this m. We have found m, and we will put this m in any one of the equation. So I will put this in equation number 1 in this equation. So the equation is 5 is equal to m plus c, and m is 5 minus 9 over 4 plus c, and c is 5 plus 9 over 4. And just using the calculator, it will be 5 for the 29 over 4. Therefore, we have found both a and c, m and c. In question number 5, this is the function, and in this function h of 2, when we put 2, the answer is 34. So let me put 2 here in x, e into 2 square plus q into 2 plus 2, and answer is 34, equal to 34. So let me, it will be 4p plus 2q. If I bring this 2 on the other side, it will be minus 2, so this will become 32. And you can take 2 common from here, it is up to you. So let me call this equation number 1. And now the second information is that when we put minus 3, the answer is 29. So put minus 3 in the function again, p minus 3 square plus q into minus 3 plus 2, and answer is 29. So is equal to 29. So it will be 9p minus 3q. If I bring this 2 on the other side, it will become minus, so 27. This is equation number 2. So now we will do again solve them simultaneously. So for simultaneous equation, we have to eliminate one, either p or q. Okay, so here let me eliminate this q, because this q has positive sign and this q has negative sign. Now we have to make the coefficient same. So what I will do, I will multiply this by 3, this 3, and I will multiply this by 2 because the 2 is over here. So what will happen? So the first equation will become 32 is 3 is 3 to the 6 and 3 to the 96 and 4 is a 12p plus 3 to the 6q, and now this equation 27 to the 7 to the 14 and 2 to the 4 and 1 5 54, 9 to the 18p and 3 to the minus 6. Now we will add both of them. These will be cancelled out because plus 6 and minus 6. And 20 and 30p is equal to 12, 1 carry, 14 and 1 5. This is 15. And the p is 152 over 30. So let me check from the calculator what is the answer. So calculator shows me this date. It is 76 over 50. This is the p, and now just put this p in any one of the equations. Let me put in here. Here you can put any one equation. Let me put in this equation. So it will be 32 plus 4 into p is 76 over 15 and plus 2p. Okay, so bring this over here. So 32 and minus it is equal to 32. So okay, so when I bring it over here, it is 4 into 76 power 15 is equal to 2p, and just using the calculator we can find the value of p. So it's this, and then divide by 2, 88 over 50, and q is 88 over 50. Now we have found both p and q.